Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Google Drive as signage background for your Airtame screen. With Airtame you can completely customize the background of your Airtame screen to use whatever third-party content you want, including images from Google Drive. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see in the setup, I have my Airtame screen running with the default background on the TV, and I have my laptop open where I've opened Airtame Cloud in a browser so I can change the settings of my Airtame screen. So for now, let's focus in on the actual laptop itself. In here, I will select the Airtame screen I want to change. It could be one or multiple devices. In this case, it is just the one device called the Little Mermaid. I will go to the settings of this device. In the settings, I will open signage, and then from here I will change the default playlist to have my Google Drive images. I'm going to click on the add button and then scroll down and locate the Google Drive gallery app. From here I need to log in to Google Drive to actually authenticate that I can access these images, so I will click on the sign in button. Once I've given access to my Google Drive account, I can then locate all of the images that I have access to. In my case, all of my images are located in a specific folder, so I will search for Airtame background to locate this folder. Then I'll double click on the folder to see the content, and I will see the 3 images that I want to use as my background. In order to select the images, I can either select all the images in a folder by clicking Control A or Command A, or I can select the images independently by holding down Command or Control and then selecting each of the individual images. Once I've selected the images I want to use, I will click on the blue Select button. And as these images are being selected, I even have this nice button called Show Selected Images. And if I click on it, I will get a preview of all of the images I have selected in this Google Drive application to verify that I've selected the right backgrounds. If I scroll down to the settings, I can define for how long each of the images should be shown on my Airtame screen. The default setting is 1 minute, but I could change that so the images are updated or changed more or less frequently. Once I'm happy with my setup, I will save my Google Drive gallery application. I will then save my entire playlist that now has this change. And lastly, I'm ready to actually send all of my changes to my Airtame screen. So if we head back to look at the TV, as soon as I click on the Save button here, all of the information is transferred to my Airtame screen, and my images will start loading up as the new background for my Airtame screen. And as per configuration, every minute the image will change to a different image out of the 3 images I have selected. So this has been a quick demo on how you can use images from your Google Drive as background for your Airtame screen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.